friends. Now that it's fall, you might have noticed some changes outside. Maybe you've seen plants or animals getting ready for winter. Let's read this story to find out some more changes we can see in fall. How Do You Know It's Fall by Ruth Owen. It's fall. Every year has four seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. As summer comes to an end, fall begins. For many farmers, fall is harvest time. That's when they pick their food. They gather the food they've grown, such as apples and pumpkins. When you spot a fat orange pumpkin for sale, it's a sign that fall is here. Maybe some of you found a pumpkin at a pumpkin patch. Shorter days. In summer, each day has more hours of sunlight than when it's dark. By the time fall arrives, night and day are about the same length. And then in the winter, the days will be shorter than the nighttime. Frosty mornings. The weather begins to feel cooler too. On some mornings, everything outside is covered with frost. You might have noticed that last year when you see little bits of tiny snow maybe on the leaves or on the grass or maybe on cars. It's not really snow yet. It's kind of like a little layer of ice. That's called frost. Sidewalks and parks are covered with crunchy leaves that are clues it's fall. As summer comes to an end, the leaves on many trees change color. Green leaves turn red, yellow, orange, and brown. And do you know what happens next? Then the leaves fall from the branches and they flutter to the ground. Apple time. Do you like apples? All through summer, apples on trees grow bigger and fatter. And when fall arrives, the apples are ready to eat. Do you remember the special word for picking food? Harvest. So in fall, farmers and even some kids like you harvest apples with their families from the trees. Farmers climb ladders to pick them, and the apples are then loaded onto trucks that go to supermarkets. You might buy some there. Time for seeds. Fall is the season when many plant seeds fall to the ground. Can you think of anything that falls from the trees in the fall? Something squirrels eat. Acorns. Some seeds, such as those that fall from apple trees, fall to the ground inside a piece of fruit. So there's a seed inside the apple. Other seeds, such as the ones from maple trees, whirl to the ground like tiny helicopters. The seeds from oak trees fall to the ground inside a tough shell called an acorn. Getting ready for winter. On a frosty fall morning, a busy squirrel collects acorns and other seeds. It digs little holes in the ground and buries its food. In winter, when it's hard to find enough to eat, the squirrel will dig up the food to eat. The ones that it doesn't remember will grow into new trees, like oak trees and maple trees. Honk honk! It's fall! One sign of fall is the honk honk of Canada geese as they fly south. The geese live in many parts of our country, but as the weather gets colder for fall, they want to fly south where it's warmer. A garden in fall. In fall, people are busy cleaning up their gardens. They rake up the leaves. They might even jump in a leaf pile. They also plant flower bulbs, which will grow into new flowers next year. Fall is the season when people prepare their gardens for the cold, long winter. Do you do anything in a garden at your house to help your parents get ready for fall? The end. I hope you enjoyed this story, friends.